They're pushing everyone into AI right now. Online courses, job boards, influencers, it's everywhere. But here's the part nobody's saying out loud. Most people who try to break into AI end up lost, frustrated, and stuck. And it's not because they're lazy or not smart enough. It's because they're missing one piece, one skill that nobody's telling them about. That's what I'm going to show you in today's video. You've probably seen the same headlines. No degree needed. AI jobs are booming. Anyone can learn. And technically, that's true. But there's a problem. People are jumping into AI thinking it's just about learning a tool, or copying prompts, or watching a few tutorials. But then reality hits. No callbacks, no clients, no real opportunities. What I've found, after studying real people who actually broke into AI, is that there are 3 invisible steps that separate the ones who get hired from the ones who keep scrolling. And it's not about being a genius or going back to school. Step 1 and 2, you might even be doing them right now. But step 3, that's the one nobody talks about. And without it, everything else falls apart. Let's be real for a second. If you've ever tried to break into tech before, whether it was coding, design, or now AI, you've probably felt that wall. Then this video is for you. The courses say no experience needed, but once you start, it's overwhelming. New terms, new tools, algorithms, prompting, APIs, neural networks. It's a jungle, so you buy a course. Maybe watch a few YouTube tutorials. You build a project. And then what? You start applying, but no one responds. No clients, no interviews, just silence. Here's the truth. The no degree needed part isn't a lie, but something is missing from what they're teaching you. And that something, it's not found in most AI courses, boot camps, or tutorials. Let me be clear, this is the biggest career shift since the internet. AI is changing everything, and the demand for talent is exploding. Companies need AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation experts, no-code AI builders, support roles, data taggers. And yes, a lot of them don't care about your degree. So no, it's not too late. But you can't just jump in blind. If you're serious about breaking into AI, you have to think differently, because the old path won't work here. There's no classroom, there's no fixed curriculum, and that's actually your biggest advantage, if you know what to do next. Here's the roadmap real beginners are using to get into AI, without a degree and without years of experience. Step 1, understand the AI landscape. You don't need to learn everything, you just need to know where you fit. Are you creative? Look into prompt design, AI image generation, chat-based automations. Are you analytical? Consider data labeling, workflow optimization, or testing models. This step is about awareness, not mastery. Step 2, build micro skills around tools. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, and Pika. Not just how to use them, but how to get outcomes with them. Can you create a pitch deck in 10 minutes with AI? Can you summarize a report and draft an email with one click? That's what clients and companies care about. Step 3, create a proof-driven portfolio. This is where 90% of people fail. They build, but they don't show. They learn, but they don't apply publicly. Your goal? Build a portfolio of 2 to 3 small, powerful projects that prove you can solve real-world problems using AI. That proof, that's what gets you hired. Let me break it down even simpler. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room, but you do need to be the one who can prove results. You don't need a 4-year degree, but you do need to show you can take a tool like ChatGPT and solve someone's problem faster, cheaper, or better than they expected. The reason most people never break in is because they stop at learning. They watch tutorials endlessly. They hide behind still learning. But the moment you start publishing your results, everything changes. Clients notice, hiring managers notice, you become visible, you become credible. So let's talk real projects. If you're just getting started, here are 3 powerful things you can build, even if you're not a coder, that can land you work fast. First, AI automation for busy professionals. Build a workflow that takes a Zoom call transcript, summarizes it, creates action points, and sends an email follow-up, all using AI tools like Zapier and ChatGPT. Imagine showing this to a small business owner. They'll be amazed. They'll ask, "Can you set this up for me?" Second, a personal AI assistant portfolio. Use tools like GPTs or Poe to create a chatbot tailored to a niche. real estate, fitness, parenting, customer support. Show a screen recording of it working. Upload that to YouTube, LinkedIn, and your portfolio page. You don't need perfection, you need proof. Third, an AI-powered content machine. Show how you create one idea and turn it into a blog post, a YouTube description, a thumbnail prompt, and a tweet thread, all using AI. Then say, this could be your brand. Now you're a strategist, not just a tool user. Here's the part most people ignore. They build something cool, but nobody sees it. You don't need 1,000 followers. You just need to post the right thing in the right place. Post 1, the build log. Start posting behind the scenes. Show what you're learning and building. Example, I just built a ChatGPT agent that writes ad copy in 30 seconds. Want to see it work? Boom, you'll get DMs. Post 2, the value drop. Break down your AI process in a short post. What tools you used, why, and what it created. Show before and after. End with, if you want something like this, I'll build it for you. Post 3, the 1-minute demo. Record your screen. Show what the AI does. No face needed. Upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll be shocked how many people will reach out. You don't need to wait 6 months to make money. If you can create value with AI, you can start getting paid this month. Option 1, freelance gigs. Go on Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, or People Per Hour. But don't just list yourself as AI assistant. That's too generic. Instead say, I build AI workflows that save you time and money. I build GPT bots for customer support. I create custom prompt systems for your business. Now you're a specialist. Option 2, cold outreach. It actually works. DM 10 business owners a day. Tell them you've built something that could save them time or make them money. Show a 30-second video of your project. Don't beg, don't spam, just show value. Say, if you want this for your business, I can build it for you. That alone can lead to $200, $500, even $1K to projects. Option 3, use your network, even if it's small. Tell your friends, your old boss, your cousin. Post on your WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. You never know who's looking for help, especially now with everyone trying to do AI without knowing how. You become the expert just by knowing how to apply the tools, not just use them. This is where most people stop. They land one project, then nothing. But if you want a real career in AI, here's how you scale it. Refine your niche. Do people keep asking you to build GPT bots for their websites? Double down on that. Package your service. Give it a name. Add it to your LinkedIn headline. Now you're not a freelancer, you're a specialist. Build social proof. Each time you work with someone, ask for a testimonial. Screenshot a happy message. Post it. Now when someone finds you online, they see credibility and trust. Position yourself as a consultant, not just a doer. Start sharing insights, tips, lessons, not just what you build, but why it worked. Now companies will want your mind, not just your time. Right now, everyone is calling themselves an AI expert. Everyone's posting screenshots, resharing ChatGPT prompts, posting threads. But guess what? Most of them are blending in. They sound the same, look the same. And when clients or companies go looking for help, they skip right past them. So how do you stand out, even without a degree? Be outcome obsessed. Don't just say you use AI, show what it did. Did your GPT workflow save a client 3 hours a day? Did your AI content system double someone's output? That's what gets you noticed. Document, don't brag. People don't like know-it-alls, but they respect people who share the journey. Post what you're building, share your failures, show your wins. This builds trust, and trust builds opportunity. Niche hard, then expand. The fastest way to grow is to start specific. Help fitness coaches write better client check-ins with AI. Help YouTubers automate video scripts. Help real estate agents qualify leads. Once you dominate one lane, others will chase you. You don't need to apply for OpenAI jobs to get paid well. You just need to know where to look. Indie tech startups. They don't care about your degree. They care if you can help ship fast. Find them on AngelList, Indie Hackers, the Y Combinator job board, or Product Hunt. Message founders. Show a demo. Ask if they need AI support. AI-powered agencies, marketing firms, branding studios, even solopreneurs. They're all trying to add AI to their workflow, but they don't know how. Find them on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Upwork. Search for keywords like Looking for ChatGPT help? Need AI support? Automate with AI. AI startups hiring no-code builders. Go to job boards like No Code Devs, We Love No Code, the Bubble Forum, or MakerPad. Many are offering $1,000 to $5,000 for AI integrations, without asking about your degree once. This part is important. If you want to break into AI without burning out, you have to stop trying to learn everything. Learn just enough to build. Don't go down rabbit holes of theory. Learn one tool, like ChatGPT, then use it to build something real. That experience teaches you faster than any course. Use the 3-1 rule. For every 1 hour you spend watching or reading, spend 3 hours building. The people who get ahead are the ones who try, not the ones who just watch. Find your feedback loop. Post, test, share, get input. This creates momentum. It also tells the algorithm to push your content, which brings in more eyes, more clients, more results. Let's be honest. The biggest obstacle isn't the AI. It's not your degree. It's not your resume. It's you thinking you're not ready. It's the fear that you're not smart enough, that you're too late, that someone else is already doing it better. But here's the truth. The people who win, they start before they feel ready. They ship before it's perfect. They get paid before they feel qualified. You don't need permission. You don't need credentials. You need momentum. And that starts today. Let's break it all down so you know exactly what to do next. Step 1. Understand the AI landscape. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, learn where you fit: creative, strategic, technical, or support. Step 2. Build micro skills with real tools. Master tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, or Pika. But don't just learn how to use them. Learn how to apply them. Step 3. Build proof, not just knowledge. A small public portfolio with 2 to 3 real-world projects can open doors. Post it. Share it. Show people what you can do. You do not need a computer science degree. You do not need to spend thousands on boot camps. What you need is to prove that you can solve problems using AI. Most people watching this are waiting for a sign, waiting for the perfect moment to begin. Let this be your moment. You already have everything you need to start. You're curious, you're motivated, you're paying attention while others are distracted. If you start today, actually start, you could have your first working AI project by next week. You could land your first freelance gig this month, and by this time next year, you could be full-time in AI. Not because you're lucky, not because you're a genius, but because you did the one thing most people won't do. You took action before you felt ready. If you're serious about breaking into AI, don't let this just be another video. Pick one idea from today, just one, and start building something this week. Don't worry if it's messy. Don't worry if it's small. Just get momentum. Because momentum beats motivation every single time. And here's what I want from you. Drop a comment and tell me what your first move will be. Are you going to build a chatbot? Try a freelance gig? Learn prompt engineering? I read every single comment. So let me know. And if you're stuck, I'll reply and help out. If this helped you, hit the like button. It helps me reach more people like you who are trying to build something real. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe. This channel is for people who want to work with AI, not just watch it happen. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. In the next video, I'll show you how to take your AI skills and start making your first income online. Even while you're still learning, you don't want to miss that. Until then, keep building, keep showing up. The future's not waiting, and neither should you.